So we're a couple weeks into spring here in Westchester, Pennsylvania, zone 6B, 7A. And one of the things that I do while spring is returning is I will take the mulch that is at the base of my plants and I will just move it away. Just by exposing it like this is going to help it to warm up, and that's going to be great for encouraging quicker growth. And as you can see, exposing this new foliage to more light is going to help it to absorb more sunlight and grow more quickly. But the issue is that every spring it seems like we have these late frosts that really damage the fresh growth of a lot of our plants, in particular a lot of hydrangeas. You know, you get a couple nights in those upper 20s and a lot of this new growth gets totally decimated. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you guys what you can do for plants that are susceptible to that late frost, how we can protect them. So the first thing is just cover them back up. If you've removed some of the some of that mulch, or you have some leaves, cover that base back up with the mulches and the leaves. You can leave it on top just like this and then wait for this cold spell to pass, and then I will go back and uncover them again. Yes, the things we do for our plants, but they love us back, remember, with their beauty. But that doesn't help us with this top growth that is already starting to flush out. This too is very susceptible. So let me show you what you can do. So with this hydrangea, first thing I'll do, I will just grab some fallen leaves, cover that up at the base. And as you can see, it's fleshing out nicely up here. Now what I have here, this is frost protection cloth. You can find a link to this in the description below. And thankfully, we're just gonna be dipping into like 28, 29 for 2 nights here. So this is gonna be good enough. You can see it's quite see-through. There's different thicknesses. This is one of the thinner ones. So depending on what you're gonna be experiencing, you might need something thicker. You can also use old sheets or drape cloths. The problem with those is they can be a little bit heavy and they do require one extra step, which I'll show you guys here in a second. But for this, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut some off. And something like this will protect it a couple of degrees, maybe 3 or 4 degrees, and that's really all that I need to do right now. Last year, we were in the low 20s for like 5 days, and I needed to use something thicker, more robust, but for me this year, this is gonna be fine. So if you're using something thicker and heavier like sheets, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna maybe get some sticks or some stakes or something to put them around your plant before laying that on top. This stuff, it's so lightweight. All that I need to do with this is I can just put it on top carefully and that will be fine. I could even do a double layer if I wanted to. But this doesn't even bend the stems. Just make sure you cover it all the way around. And if you want to, you could just take a little mulch and just kind of put it like that, just so it stays in place. And then once the frost spell has ended, then you're gonna be good to go. And the nice thing about this is still gonna allow for precipitation to enter, so that's really great. And that's about all that you need to know. Do it, it's worth the effort. If you have any other questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below. Anyways, thanks for joining me here on Plant Vibrations. I'll catch you guys later. Ciao.